control panel box here. Okay. You're cutting fiber. That fiber creates dust. It gets around. It's pretty enclosed, and it's breathing all the crap out that way. But I would open this up once a month and hit it with canned air. Okay. That's when it starts to give you electrical problems over time. So.
Stepping all over this. This is
that's the rubber mat that goes over it. It'll clean that off before it goes back on.
Okay, start off. Power on. HMI will light up. Enter. Okay. Cutting depth at 0. Rising height at 1. Turn on. Okay. Here's a signal query. Cutting depth has to be at 0 when you first start off with a new die and new material. Every time you change a new die and material, you have to start off new. Okay? So, at this point, okay, this is the position sensor. Position sensor is where the head will come down and stop before it will apply the incremental cutting depth here. Okay? If you try and push these right now, the 2 green, it's not going to do anything. Which will remind you, oh yeah, I didn't loosen the position sensor. Okay, so now that that's there, I got to go to setting on the right, push both buttons, and the head will come down. So, and you can see it comes down and just rests. It's sitting there at that point. Okay, tighten your position sensor handle and turn it back to the left, and the head will come up. Now you would test cut by pushing the 2 green buttons. It'll come down, but it has no cutting depth set. So after you add some cutting depth, you test cut, you see if it's cutting through. If it doesn't, you add more. Don't add too much. You add too much, you're going to put this die right there all the way into your table. You're going to press it all the way through. So keep adding more. Never put rising height. Okay, so right now rising height is at 1. So after we cut, it only rises a little bit. Okay, no sense in having it more. I'm going to come here. I'm going to go to 2. Sorry. 2. Now when we cut, rises a lot higher. That's a waste of time for each cycle. So go to 1 again. Sorry. 1. Enter. Okay, we're at 1. Now when we cut, okay, just come up a little bit. So you can keep adding cutting height. You can clear your current output. Okay. Photoelectric switch. Now I can tell when I cut, be able to see the different signal queries light up. For example, if I push the emergency button right now, okay. Now if I try and run the machine by going over and pushing the green buttons, it's not going to go up and down. You're going to be saying what's going on. Right off here I can see the emergency switch is on. Okay, turn it, it's off. And now I can come over and so something that we've done that's unique is our downtime is a lot faster, and then it gets to the position sensor location and slows down to make a nice even cut. It avoids cupping and other bad things if you're cutting with too much down speed. So people want the machine to go faster and faster and faster, but you can't cut with that kind of speed without causing problems in the material you're cutting and so forth. So we go fast from origin to origin until just before the cut, and then ours slows down to give you a clean cut. So we'll go back here. Advanced parameters is only for internal purposes, so you don't need to worry about that. And that's it. Take you around to the light sensors on the back. These are here to keep anybody from sneaking in at the back and, you know, maybe reaching in to pick up something if somebody's cutting, anything. So you want to make sure the sensors have blue at the top and the bottom. That means the bottom and the top are in focus. And if anybody, when the machine is in motion, puts their hand in, okay, you'll see. Sends a signal to the PLC and tells the PLC, stop what you're doing, tells the head to go to its upper position. So inside here is your PLC, okay, computer controlled by Mitsubishi, Japanese, and Schneider, okay. So Schneider, US company, makes it easy for replacement of parts when you need new parts. So, but that's it. Very easy machine to run. It's a great press. This one here is 100 ton for a customer that has they're cutting all different types of material. You see what we got here. And this gives them the ability to really expand the type of customers they're able to go after. Before, they were able to just sell the materials, and then other people were converting. Now they can sell exactly what the customer needs. They could cut out, you know, 100 Mickey Mouses out of that shape, and whatever the customer needs now.
Okay, you can come back around here. Put that on the thing right here. You can see, so you can test, okay? We got blue on top, we got blue on bottom. We're focused, top and bottom, okay? I put my hand in here, okay? Weenie weenies, okay? Okay. So that's where you want to be. Blue on the top and the bottom means we're focused, because if this was kicked out a little bit more, we might just have focus on the top, or just the bottom, okay? So now what we need to do is, I'm going to push the button, cut, okay? Don't put your hand under there, but break the beam, okay? Just break the beam. I'm going to raise the high first. Then go to higher. Break that beam. Not yet. Okay, here we go. Put your hand in too far, don't go that far. Just touch the light.
Got it right here.
Everybody take a chance just to stick your hand in there so you really get an idea of how that works. Stop it. Send it back to the 5 point. Okay, back up here.
This is good. I need like 50%. No.
You move it to the setting. You got setting position. And you keep pushing this. Okay? Until it's there. You're just going to rest on it, okay? And make sure you're all the way down. Okay? If this isn't greased or it's dirty, see if I can get it to move. Basically, you want to hear that, okay? All the way down. Tighten it, okay? Gotta be on field. height for a different job. That's the pressure it's going to give it after it kisses it. Okay? So, this is a limit switch sensor in here. It knows when it gets to there, okay, now apply the amount of pressure that you have in your cutting depth. Okay? So, once we're here,
You don't clamp the die in?
that
You already using it.
Yeah, 44, 44. You guys didn't leave any extra on the side to trim up, did you?
On the other one there is.
You're not going to be able to get exactly the edge. It's not the way the machine works.
if it's cut high, it has a tendency to want to, on the edges, instead of cut, just bend over.
You gotta have waste.
Gotta have a little bit of weight.
Huh?
I said something about it.
So we are
Something underneath the back of it.
okay, so now I'm going to give it a little more pressure.
Is there any way of getting it to go the same speed all the way down?
What's that?
Is there any way of getting it to go the same speed all the way down and not slow it? Because that slowing down is causing it to crack again.
What's that?
That slowing down is causing it to crack.
Nope. If you go faster, it isn't going to make a difference.
Well, the holes aren't supposed to be punched through. There's plywood in there, so they only go down that far on purpose.
Normally we're dealing with like 1/4 inch, so this is going to be, you'll get the hang of it, you guys will, but on the fixed stuff, it's just about this number. But normally we're dealing with 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch stuff, so within 2 or 3 times you have your number figured out.
What exactly are you trying to do right now?
We're adding more to get the complete cut, getting the cut to go all the way through.
And that's going to be trial and error as we first start.
Yeah, like I say, on stuff that's 1 inch, you're going to know, okay, let's start at 15 instead of 0.
Okay.
I mean, I set up at 0, but then your first cut, you can get up to where you want it to be. How high it goes. This is how much pressure. This is how after cut it goes up this high or this high or this
CJRTec has been in the manufacturing business for more than a decade, with offices in the USA, Philippines, Korea and China. We are an international company with sales all over the world. CJR specializes in all types of specialized cutting machines with emphasis on automated cutting. Nearly all of our machines are customer-built to customer-specific needs. CJR is not the only company in this market segment, but they are the only company that can make custom machines from 10 tons to 350 tons in a variety of table sizes and machine types. Today, CJR enjoys annual sales that nearly doubles all USA-based competition with the best warranty in the business and the best customer service anywhere. If you want to do business with a company that always answers the phone and values customer service over anything else, you're in the right place. Welcome to CJRTec, a different type of company.